वास्कोच्या रेल्वे पुलिसांनी वास्को रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर गोरवांचे मांस धरला। निजामुद्दीन एक्सप्रेसींतल्यान तस्करी करून हाडिल्ले मांस वास्को रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर पुलिसांच्या हाताक लागले। मांस सकाळी धरिल्ले, मात दनपार मेरेन ताचो पंचनामो जावंक नाशिल्लो। पार्सलांचेर दिल्ली टू मडगांव बरिल्ले आसा। एफडीएची टीम आनी एनजीओ वास्को पावले, मात पार्सल मडगांवाक कोंकण रेल्वेचे आशिल्ल्यान दक्षिण मध्य रेल्वेचे पुलीस ते वास्को उगडूंक तयार नात म्हूण दनपार मेरेन पंचनामो आडकल्लो। जीसीएच्या जीपीएलान आपल्या पदार्पणाच्या वर्सा काकुलो गोवन्सान फायनलीन पावपाचें टार्गेट दवरला। गोंयच्या क्रिकेटरांक उर्बा दिवंक जीपीएलान देंवल्यात म्हूण काकुलो ग्रुपाचो चेअरमॅन मनोज काकुलो म्हणटा।
फुडाराचे चिंतून मुखार वचपी म्हूण काकुलो ग्रुपाची वळख आसा। क्रिकेटरांक बरो फुडार मेळचो म्हूण काकुलो गोवन्स मैदानार देंवला अशें मनोज काकुलो म्हणटा।
One of the main reason why we wanted to we got into this Goa Professional League is basically try to support the Goan cricketing fraternity, because we feel that there is a huge talent in Goa, and if there was something little we could do to help them grow and show their skills at the national level, we thought we could try something. That is how we are into the GPL with Kakulo Goans. What is very important part of it when we were designing the whole stuff was that we wanted a name which can be related by the Goans, and that is how the kind of messages, mails that we are getting is from people from a lot of Goans from the Gulf also are sending in mails and messages to us that this is like getting the Goan brethren together, and everybody is relating to the team Kakulo Goans. Undoubtedly we want to play on the 6th. I think if you ask me the ambition, that's it, and then it is that what happens on that day. But I have confidence in the team that we have selected, because we had our managing people who are like very experienced, and besides being experienced, the enthusiasm that was there, that we tried and selected the best team, and I'm sure we are going to put the best efforts on that day, and obviously we'll try and be victorious on the 6th of March.
Have you decided your captain?
Yes, Swapnil Asnodkar will be our captain of Kakulo Goans, who will be leading us hopefully to lift the cup.
बऱ्यापैकी गटमुट पंगड स्वप्नील अस्नोडकराच्या पुढारपणाखाला तयार करतले असे कोच प्रशांत काकोडेन म्हटला।
What was been required, what we had been played, as Manoj rightly said, like for the auction, the way we went, we got the best players. As we get to hear from other franchises also, this year we are going to see many good outstation players. So as he said, the Kakulos will be playing on 6th.
Was Swapnil Asnodkar your priority player that you wanted to buy?
See, there were 3 people. One among them was Swapnil, and we were happy that we got him.
In Goa, it's like mostly people are crazy about Sagun and Swapnil when it comes to GPL. So was it like, if not Sagun,
That was the thing. So as you are aware that Sagun's name came first, and then he went up to 4 lakhs. And then second option,
you guys were bidding for it.
We guys were bidding, but then we had planned certain things. So it was then we went for Swapnil, and we got him. We were happy that we have him.
इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। नमस्कार।
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट। यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट।